Hello everyone. Today we are going to start new lesson. Lesson number 23, computers. In this lesson we are going to see information about computers. We have learned the mathematical operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Students, in math subject you have learned how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You can do sums which involves any one or more of these operations, means there may be sum of addition, subtraction, like these sums also may be have solved. You may also solve complicated sums which involves all of these operations. Complicated means difficult. Difficult sum also may be solved which is having addition, subtraction, like this also difficult sum may be solved. So you can calculate the answers quickly if you use tables. Students, if you know tables, you can answer quickly. But sometimes it is necessary to carry out very complicated calculation that involves very large numbers. At such times, mistakes are bound to occur in the calculations. Are bound to occur means extremely like to happen. Means when we are doing complicated calculation, that time mistake happens. Then you waste a lot of time checking and rechecking your answers. How can we avoid these errors and wastage of time? Means if complicated calculations are there, that time you have to check, recheck the answer, and there is a waste of time. A computer is a machine that is an answer to all these problems. Means complicated calculations. When you're doing, there are the mistakes. So you can do this calculation on the computer, and computer is the machine that is answer for all these complicated calculations. Computers can solve problems and carry out the most difficult calculations with amazing speed and accuracy. Accuracy means correctness. Means computer can solve problems and carry out the difficult calculation with amazing speed. Means within a moment you will get the answer, and also correct answer you will get. Computers can do several other things beside carrying out calculation. In fact, there are few things that a modern computer is not able to do. This computer can do several things, but there are some few things that computer can't do. How man walk, how he talk, like that computer can't do. Means some things are there that this modern computer can't do. Modern computer means nowadays we are using that computer. Computers have memory. That is, they can store a lot of information or data. Computers have memory, means in CPU of the computer you can have memory. That is, they can store a lot of information data. Means in CPU, with the help of memory card, memory chip, other CD, you can save or store a lot of information. They can keep words, pictures and sound in their memory and give you the information within a fraction of second when you need it. Within a fraction of second means within a moment. Means if you store or keep words, picture, sound in the memory, then it will give you information within a fraction of second. When you need that time, you can get the information which is stored in the memory. Computers can process the data or the information according to the instruction given to them. Whatever we are giving instruction, according to that, computers can process the data or the information. If you want to draw a picture on a computer, you have to select pencil. If you want to give color, red color to that picture, you have to select the red color. It's like these instructions you have to give to the computer, and according to that computer work. A modern computer can follow thousands of instructions within a fraction of second. Means thousands of instructions if you give to the computer, it follows within a fraction of second. Only the instruction have to be given in the language that the computer understand. A set of code instructions written for computer is known as a program. Here code means a system of words, letters, numbers or symbols that record information in a shorter form. A set of code instructions means here if you want to draw a picture, for drawing a picture their pencil symbol will be there. Afterwards you can, if you want to paint, then paint symbol. Like this set of code it is there of the instruction. That one it is called here program. When you on a computer, that time you can see a set of code instructions which are wrote on the computer. That only are known as program. Writing a computer program is a specialized task. Specialized means having special knowledge of particular subject. means writing a computer program. For that we need special knowledge. A computer on its own does not make judgments about the instructions given to it. Judgments means opinion. Whatever you are giving instruction about that, computer on its own could not do judgment, means it could not think over it. It follows the instruction blindly. Is whatever instruction you are giving for computer, it follows the blindly. For example, you have drawn a picture of tree on the computer and you have to give color for that black. If you select black, that time computer will not say you that tree is not having black color, don't give. Whatever you are giving instruction means whatever you select according to that computer work. That is why the instruction have to be written very carefully. The instruction must cover every steps involved in an operation. If you miss a step, the computer will not correct it. Means when you are giving instruction for the computer, you have to follow some steps. One has to think carefully to imagine every step involved in any task. Means whatever instruction you are giving for the computer, for that whatever steps are there that you have to follow. You have to first on the computer, afterwards you have to click on start button. After that you have to select whatever you want. If you want pen, means like this step wise you have to go. Let us see if we can imagine all the steps involved in a simple task. The simple task means here simple work is there. In that we can imagine a steps. Suppose mother has asked you to buy a vegetable. You have to divide this task into smaller ones. Here in book, one simple task means one simple work is given. What is that? Suppose mother has asked you to buy a vegetable, and this task you have to divide into a smaller ones. How this task is divided? See, first you have to go to the greengrocer's shop. Now greengrocer's shop means the shop where you get the vegetables and fruits. That shop is called greengrocer's shop. First, what is step? Going to the greengrocer's shop. Second, picking up the vegetables you want and paying for them. And third, coming back to home. These are the three steps are given. Then you have a subdivide this task into smaller ones. Here whatever task is given, that task is again divided into smaller one. How it is? See, first going to the greengrocer's shop. After take a bag for vegetable or take a money for vegetable. These are the two steps. Afterwards start from your house, means you have to start from your house. After walk down the street, mean directly you can't take your vehicle in the shop, so you have to get down, you have to walk down the street. You have to turn right or left, means which side you have to turn, you have to turn. Walk down the street. Next cross the street and last enter greengrocer's shop. These are the steps. These steps are given. Again some steps you can do in this task. Each of these smaller tasks can again be divided further into even smaller tasks. Try to do this that choosing any one of the above steps. Thus we see that computers are smarter than men, but it is men who do the difficult job of making them smart enough. We say that computer is smarter than men, but who has made computer smarter? Men, means men has or people has discovered the computer, and men has made the computer smarter. Smarter means clever. So the next time you play a game on a computer or watch or obtain some information, think of the men who put in so effort to make it all possible. Means next time when you will play the game on the computer or watch or obtain some information, what you have to think that who has took this all effort? Men, means people has done this computer, so lots of effort they have took and made this computer. Next part we'll see the homework. Today's homework, students, you have to read this lesson and you have to write the meanings one time and spellings two times, and you have to learn it. Thank you.